Okay, I pulled out the Hart benchtop grinder, and I'm going to clean up some of these magnets that I have left over from last year. I used them to hang some Christmas lights on the outdoor of my house, and I'm going to try to up it one notch this year. So you can see right here, I'm struggling with trying to get the fine dust off. You know, trying to get magnetic dust off a magnet is pretty difficult. I figured this out with the blue tape, and it worked pretty well. And here's a tip. Don't let the magnets clink each other. They shatter. Okay? The difference I'm going to do this year is that I'm going to make them permanent. I'm not going to use the command strips. So it's a command hook and a magnet, but I'm going to use Starbond CA glue, put a few drops on each magnet, and spray the accelerator on each clip. And this was actually pretty straightforward, and it's almost instant once the glue and the activator come in contact with each other. Okay, now I'm going to spray them so they blend in and almost become invisible. Now this is a pretty close color to my outside. It's not, it's just random spray paint I had. This worked great. And the great thing is, because of the activator and the Starbond, I didn't have to wait at all. Now that looks great. When I get them hung up, I'll post another video. Tell me what you think.